Did you know that there's a better way to do affiliate marketing? In fact, this company prominently went from absolutely zero revenue to $54,000 a month doing it this better way. All right, so you can see here that this business went from zero to $54,000 in monthly recurring revenue by doing exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So you used to be able to make millions of dollars promoting offers that weren't yours, sometimes even as a brand new beginner. But today, things have gotten a little more challenging. And sometimes doing affiliate marketing the old way is not as easy as it might seem. And by traditional affiliate marketing, I mean that somebody's driving traffic to other people's offers. You're paying for ads, or you're making blog posts, you're doing all kinds of strategies to drive traffic straight to someone's affiliate link where they go off somewhere else, buy someone else's product, and then you get a commission. That's what we're talking about today. And that, while still a powerful way to get started with affiliate marketing, is not the most profitable way to make money from this phenomenon. Sure, you can make a good amount of money running traffic to affiliate offers. Don't get me wrong. There are people making millions doing that. But in these days, it's a little bit more of a struggle. It's not quite as easy as it used to be. Often easy to kind of get started, but if you really want to scale up to the big money, it takes being a little bit unconventional, doing things a little bit differently. And don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing affiliate marketing. Traditional affiliate marketing has its place. It's still a viable business model that, especially to beginners, you can get started from zero to making those first dollars online. It's got a low barrier to entry, very low risk, it's easy to understand, but there's an even better way to build a profitable business using affiliate marketing. So what I advise is get started as a beginner. Start playing around with affiliate marketing, learn how it works, start generating your first revenue, and follow some of the video training we've released here on this very channel to get started. Once you've started, and once you've kind of got your toe in the water of doing affiliate marketing, you, my friend, need to play the other side of the coin. And that is, you need to be the offer owner. You need to have affiliates sending you traffic and you making money. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you take your profits from affiliate marketing to the next level and make some serious cash as an offer owner. And this, due to AI, is now easier than ever before. So you can follow what I'm going to show you in this video and go from a new affiliate marketer to you becoming the offer owner and making far more profit in the long run when you build your business. So there's a few reasons why this is so great. So reason number one is you get some high profit margins. As an offer owner, you're going to enjoy high profit margins because you're not spending your money on traffic. So you don't have to waste money testing different traffic strategies. Your affiliates will do that, and they'll send you the traffic essentially for free, and you only pay them when they make a sale for you. This helps make your profit margins very predictable. So instead of wasting a lot of money on paid traffic and not knowing what the return is going to be, you know because you're only paying when an affiliate sends you a sale. Reason number two for doing this model is when you build your own offer, it's a sellable asset. If you build a course or a training product, or frankly, any kind of product that affiliates are promoting, this is a valuable asset that you can turn around. And on sites like Flippa, like Acquired, and many other marketplaces, you can sell these things for hundreds and even millions of dollars once they're up and running. So beyond these higher profit margins, you're building value in a long-term digital sellable asset that you can sell later. And the bigger your business gets, the larger your customer list grows, the better your sales process improves, the more polished your new business is, the more money you can sell it for. The other thing is with this, you get all of the what's called the back-end sales. So your affiliates are sending you your front-end sales, and they're helping you build a buyer list at the same time. And then you get to sell all of those new customers more and more and more stuff, and you don't have to pay any commission on that back end. And the better you are at this, the more of an asset, the more value that this new business that you're building has. You get the long term with this business model because you have the back end, and then ultimately you can sell this profitable business for a huge upside later on. Now, it's owning the offer is what allows you to someday exit your business. Now, the third reason you're going to want to flip from being just a simple affiliate to being the offer owner is that you have total control. I can't tell you how many times where I've been promoting someone else's product and they change it. They adjust the pricing, they change their sales process, or maybe they even completely remove the offer from an affiliate network. And then for me as the affiliate, I'm left holding the bag. If their offer stops converting, it's on me. I'm spending money and effort to get them traffic, and they went and changed their business, and now it's hurting me. But if you're the offer owner, you control all of that. You control your sales materials, you control how everything works in your business. Now, reason number 4 is that if you set your business up right, you have recurring, evergreen cash flow. One of the biggest advantages of being the offer owner is it's the potential for lifetime recurring income, whether because you're selling recurring membership products, or don't forget, you're building a buyer list. All the people who buy your product on the front end, you can continue selling them things indefinitely into the future. In fact, I personally have had people on my mailing list that have been on the list for 15 years, continuing to receive emails from me and continuing to buy products, all because they joined my list many, many years ago. So you could do a membership product. So whether you sell that in an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, or whether you offer a membership product on the back end after you get the buyers, that's one way to have that recurring revenue. But bottom line is you need to keep selling stuff to all of your new customers that your affiliates are sending you. And so as an affiliate, you would send the traffic and you might get a one-time commission, or you might get a commission on one single product. But when you capture that buyer list, you have money that keeps coming in the long term. Now, the fifth reason you might want to do this is that you can have affiliates that drive your sales for you. This is a huge advantage because you're not spending the money to drive the traffic. The affiliates send you the traffic and you only pay for it when there's an actual sale. And I have had like really experienced traffic generation affiliates that will grab my offers off of marketplaces like ClickBank, and they'll go spend their own money driving paid traffic to my offers and testing it, and in some cases sending lots of sales. So how do you actually build a business as a product owner? Well, the first step is to begin building your list. The list is the first step on how you graduate from a regular affiliate to an offer owner, is by capturing an email list and building it up for the long term, because now it makes it really simple to launch a new business in that market because you just mail your list and sell your new product to them. You become, in a sense, your own first affiliate. The other thing is newsletters alone, mailing lists all by themselves make a ton of money. So this list right here is a fairly small list with only 1,600 subscribers, and they're making $25,000, even though this is just a few months old. So with 1,600 subscribers, you could be the one making $25,000 instead, but you've got to build that list. Don't just promote affiliate links. Build your list and then promote affiliate links. And then once your list is big enough, then you can graduate into becoming the offer owner. The other thing about having a list is you can actually survey that list to learn more about what problems they have, what goals they have, what things you can help them with. And you can survey that list to help you decide what kind of a product to build that you could sell to them later. Now, once you're up and running, you pre-sell that product. Let's say that you survey the list, you find out what they need and want. You can use AI. In fact, you can use our very own PushButton AI to build an entire business. Your entire offer can be built by AI, and then you just go to the list, you tell the list about it, and you sell that product to them. But let's say you're struggling with that. You're not sure where to start on how to create your offer. Well, that is where PushButton AI comes in. So of course, that's my flagship product that is not currently available to the public and is currently in our early access beta stage and is by private invite. So if you would be interested in having an AI solution that literally builds your offer, if you'd like to graduate from an affiliate to an offer owner, you can use PushButton AI. It will build a course that you can turn around and sell in the affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank. It'll write your sales page. It'll create a squeeze page. It'll help you build your list. It'll write a 30-day email sequence to send to your list. It will create everything. It will create video training lessons, audio training lessons. It'll make your logo. It'll build your website, find your domain name, and launch the entire business. And then, like that, you become the offer owner. That's simple. To learn more about PushButton AI and to see if you can get access to our early access program, head on over to pushbutton.ai/demo, where you can learn more. We'll join live on Zoom, demonstrate the technology, show you how it works. They'll show you how you can go from an affiliate to an offer owner in just a matter of a few hours. And it is really simple to do. Literally, even with zero experience of tech or marketing, you can have your own offer up at lightning fast. So again, go to pushbutton.ai/demo, jump on a live demo with us. We'll determine if it's a good fit. We may invite you into our early access program. If you got value from this video, make sure you tap that like button. It helps feed the YouTube algorithm so YouTube knows that this channel is putting out good content. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure tap that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Click the little bell icon, turn on all notifications, because YouTube doesn't always notify you when we put out content unless you select that option. So we're releasing content all the time, all throughout the week. We're teaching about affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, how to sell your own offers, and how to grow your business using AI and cutting-edge marketing tactics. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now. So for those of you who are not yet a PushButton AI customer, then you need to check this out. And all you need to do is go to pushbutton.ai/demo, pushbutton.ai/demo, and you can get a live one-on-one appointment to get on Zoom and see this powerful technology in action. And with PushButton AI, it will build an entire business from bottom to top. Everything you need, from your domain name to your logo to videos to audio lessons, an entire course that you can sell as your own, a 30-day email sequence that it writes. You can send a daily email for 30 days, all written by AI, and a whole lot more. It writes your sales page. If you're not sure how to write an expert sales page to convince people to buy stuff, it writes it for you. It writes a free report that you can give away to get subscribers to your list. It even creates and writes the opt-in subscription page to get people to subscribe to get the free report. And it goes on and on and on. It even writes your first 10 blog posts for you, and it can do so much more. Social media posts, ads, all of these things are done, and all you have to do is answer a couple of questions and push a button. Now, PushButton AI is not available to the public at the time of recording this video. And the only way to get in is by invite to our behind-the-scenes beta access. And during your live demo, we'll show you the technology. We'll actually work with you to actually map out an entire course that you could sell as your own. We'll outline the course with you together on the one-on-one Zoom call. And then if you so decide, if you're a good fit, you can come in, join our PushButton AI beta program, and be in business with that very course by the next day. Go to pushbutton.ai/demo to figure out if this powerful technology is right for you. You can register there. You'll book an appointment in the calendar. Be sure you show up. Our team will be very excited to meet you and show you how the tech works, outline your new course for you, and hopefully it's a fit and we can work together to launch your next business.